This is the whale shark video and the best moment I will never forget in my life. So guys, I want to show you the whole video of the whale shark. So just keep your eyes on the screen and watch this video until to the end. So guys, I'm still in Oslob province of Cebu Island. And I told you in the previous video that this province has 3 best adventure that you shouldn't miss when you visit. And one was in my previous video, and it is tallest waterfall. And the second one is this whale shark, which is the best among the 3 in my life. So guys, as you can see, the shark is really big and so cute to watch and very kind. So I enjoyed the shark moment, and I spent like 2 hours on the island, and where so many people were trying to swim together and see the beautiful shark. So if you want to see this amazing shark, you have to come early in the morning. So they only allow you to see it in the morning, and you have to bring your own swimming shoes and goggle. They will provide for you the swimming protector and camera if you pay the guide, you know. So people were enjoying, and water was really clear, and people were carrying their camera. They're trying to catch their moments in their life. So guys, if you have your kids that are really want to see the real shark, please bring them to Oslob province, and they will be seeing this shark. And if you have your partner, or if you're a couple and you want to have a beautiful moment, also you can pay a visit to this island. You see guys, it's really big and huge. There were little fish around it, and it is swimming with the people, or it can swim for you. If you're a pro swimmer, you can swim with the shark, and you can try to chase it, but don't touch the shark. And if you want to see the shark, don't apply the sunscreen, don't apply any other chemical creams, because they can kill the shark. I was told by a guide. So I also let you know in case you are visiting this cute shark. And this shark, they are like 5. But my attention was around this one, and I was able to see the second one, as you are going to see. You see? Yeah, it will come close, and then you are going to see them. I managed to see that too. Yeah, it's trying to come around the people. You see, that is the second one. Yeah. And they're very beautiful. I'm telling you, when you reach near it, they are so cute. And if you are a scuba diver, also you will love it. You will enjoy looking the shark deeper down there, as you see. Yeah. You see guys, it was just swimming around, enjoying, trying to chase people, and people were trying to chase it. And water was really clear, that you can see to the bottom of the ocean. Yeah, those are the guides that feeds the shark. Yeah, this one, they are the guides that feeds the shark. So you see, shark were really kind to the people, or to the people who have visited it. So I was also trying to say hello to them. That is the second one. Yeah, really swimming is a very nice hobby. So if you're watching this video and you are afraid of swimming, but you want to see the whale shark, you can stay on the boat. So there is a boat that stays there waiting for people who is watching the shark to take it back to the mainland or to the dry land. So if you're afraid of water, you will sit on the boat and you take your camera and you just watch, because sharks, they come outside of water and they still swim on the top of the water. So for you, you'll be able to see it. But I recommend you to start slowly swimming. I was like you too. I was afraid of water, but you see, I managed to show you this amazing shark memory. So don't worry if you're watching the screen. And the next video, I'm going to show you all the corals. So this province also has the amazing corals. And my next video is I'm going to show you a lot of beautiful corals, and you like it. So guys, thank you for subscribing on my YouTube channel, and thank you for liking, and thank you for understanding my language. I'm promising you I'll be improving. So you see, those are the scuba divers.